so much for 2,000 subscribers. I'm so happy about that. Like, wow, I was just so happy. But I know I'm kind of late with that. I should have said that in my last video, but I just forgot. But anyway, thank you guys so much for 2K. And my next goal is 3K.
Getting back to the YouTube video, and as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you how I make my thumbnails on my iPhone. So I get a lot of comments about how I make my thumbnails, to make a video on it, and what apps I use. So I just decided to make a video on it because I have like a whole like process that I do to make it. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get straight out into the video. So I'm using my old iPhone 8. I film on my iPhone 7. I mean, what? I film on my iPhone 8 Plus, but the color on this phone is like faded, so it's gonna look different than like the result. Like, so anyway, I'm gonna show you the first thing that I do. So the first thing that I do is I go to Phonto. So I go to Phonto and I select the picture I want. I think I like this one, so nah. Okay, I think I like this one. So for this one, let me move this out of the way. Alright, so I usually just click add text and then I say how I edit my thumbnails. So basically I do not like this font right here, so I'm gonna change it to, oh shoot, I don't have that font on this phone. I have to download it. My gosh, no. Hold on. Okay, some of you guys may not know how to download fonts onto Phonto, so I'm going to show you how to do that really quick. So let me go to Safari. Safari, like Google doesn't, it's weird. But anyway, so I usually go to defont.com for to download my fonts, because that's usually where I get them from. Defont.com is where you guys should download fonts. But this time, this font that I'm looking for is not on defont.com, so I have to go to, I'm just going to type in the name of the font. It's called Obelix Pro. So I click download, and you click download when it pops up, and then you click this blue arrow in the corner, like in the top right corner. Hello. Okay, then you select it, and then you look for the font, like search it up in here, and then you hold it and click share, and you scroll over to more until you find copy to Phonto. No, not Picsart. Copy to Phonto. Bruh. What is wrong with this? I'm gonna click install for all of the fonts, because I just like the font. But anyway, we're done downloading the font, so now I can add it. I can change the font. So I'm gonna do Obelix Pro, and I think that I'm gonna make this one Bada Boom BB, maybe. I think I'm gonna change it up in a minute, but anyway. I'm gonna change the size a little bit. Okay, so somebody asked me how I do like the color thingy. So like you click style and then you click create color pattern, and then you can like select it, like you change the color like that, and then you click, you see this at the top, it says horizontal C. So you click that and you can like change it to vertical, horizontal, character by character, or word by word. So I'm gonna click vertical and see how the colors change like that. Boom, period. I'm gonna make the background a shadow, and then my thumbnails, I think I'm gonna change that pattern. Okay, boom. So yeah, I'm gonna change the background style, and I'm gonna make a shadow to the side. Okay guys, I think I like that. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna save this to my camera roll. Save image. The home button doesn't work on this phone, so anyway, I go to Phonto now. I mean yeah, no, Picsart, right? I go to Picsart now, and on my recent photo, and now is when the magic is gonna start happening, and it's gonna look so good, guys. Okay, so anyway, now I'm going to click cutout, click person, and see, it just highlights my entire body, face, the phone, everything. So that, I'm gonna save that, click next, then you click save, download photo, go back, click undo, and then you click sticker, my stickers, cutouts, and then you select that, and I just plot myself right on top of myself. Wait, no, wait, I forgot something, guys. Hold on. I have to delete this now, the sticker. If you want an emoji on here, you can, but like, yeah. So I'm gonna choose this emoji and make it smaller, turn it, and I'm gonna like put it behind here. I mean, I've already used this emoji before. Wait, no, I don't like that. I'm gonna use the heart emoji, the heart eyes emoji, and turn it here, and click opacity and make it like not show that much, like that. This is just the regular image, and I just added an emoji and turned it down. Okay, so I'm gonna click apply, and now I'm going to go to stickers, my recent, and then here. And then I'm gonna add this on top of here, and now the emoji looks like it's behind me. Okay, then shadow. Do I like the black one? I think I kind of like the black shadow. I think I do. I like that. Opacity, turn it up a bit, and boom, that is my thumbnail. But I think I'm missing something, so I'm just gonna add like something to it. So sticker, arrow, and let me find an arrow that I like. Oh, I like this one, and boom. But you see, I don't like that color. So what you can do is you can click on effects, and then you can scroll to colors, color replace, and then you can select that. Oh, wait, no, honey, wait a minute, that color. Okay, I did not say the whole thing. What, is it gonna, wait, no, why is it making me, what? It never did that before. Because like before on my other video, what was it, reading my subscribers' unpopular opinions, I used this arrow and changed the color of it, and my whole face and everything didn't change. Only the arrow changed, so I'm kind of confused. But anyway, I mean, it's fine. I'm not really that bothered by the color. But anyway, that's just what I do. And the last thing that I do is the most important part. So go to effects, then go to FX, then go to HDR. Boom. Look at this. Look at this. Doesn't this look so good? Like, look. So you can say unsharp, sharp. You can like turn it down. You can adjust what you want it to look like. That. Okay, perfect. So that is how I edit my thumbnail. Wait, no. I don't think I'm done. Hold on. Sorry. Okay, so I sometimes go to brushes, and then I go to like something else. Like I just click on something, and you can like add stuff in the background if you like it. Like stars, like sparkles and stuff. Like, see, that looks kind of pretty. But see, I don't like that. So okay, guys, I definitely like that. So I think that I'm gonna leave it like that, but of course I'm not gonna have it all on my face. So what I do is I go to erase, and then I like erase it all on my face. Erase it off of the title, and I think that I kind of like that. I like that, so let me erase it off my body. Okay, guys, and I think that is how I'm gonna leave my thumbnail. I like it. So that's how I edit my thumbnails, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that I gave you guys some tips and ideas how to make your thumbnails. and I hope that you enjoyed this video. So let me do the notification shout out really quickly. The shout out goes to Queen Glam, so make sure to go subscribe to her right now. Queen Glam. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on my video. Make sure to turn on my notifications if you want a shout out. Make sure to go check out another video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.